Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. First of all, thank you very much for your tremendous response on all my videos. After our first video on closet organization, Simplify Your Space was getting continuous requests to make a video on all-in-one closet, especially where one needs to keep all type of clothes, jewelry, handbag, makeup and even Indian traditional dresses. And yes, the challenge was to fit all of this in one single closet and yet look beautiful and organized. So let's see how I've done it.
Let's start from the top shelf. As you can see, I have compartmentalized this section into several small sections by using a multi-shelf hanging organizer which is simply hanged on the hanger rod. Mid shelves are used to keep kurtis, casual wearing salwar kameez and palazzos. In this lower shelf, I have used a laundry drawer organizer which is perfect to keep dupattas segregated. I can just slide it and take out dupattas easily. And on the top shelf, I have kept all the clutch bags and wallets. This closet organizer came with two drawers, but I didn't find them functional there. So I took those drawers out and used them as baskets on the sides. On the left, I have used it to keep maxi dresses and skirts. On the right, I have used it to keep perfumes and watches. It has beautiful leather handles which makes it easy to slide. Now let's see the hanging clothes. One side of shelf is used for hanging tops. Putting them on light hanger keeps them organized and gives us instant ability to pick the correct one for the day. You may choose to store the clothes type you wear like saris, suits, etc. And at the end I have this multi-purpose tie and scarf hanger to hang scarves. The other side of the cupboard is utilized for clothes which also need hangers but can stay segregated from tops on the left. I have utilized this space to keep traditional salwar kameez and anarkalis. Using this net cover specially designed to keep saris and anarkalis protected. These covers also make your closet look more beautiful. Coming to the drawers, I have used one drawer to keep laundries, socks and hankies and kept them segregated by using drawer dividers. Second drawer is used to keep makeup essentials. All the lipsticks and nail paints are kept in these acrylic organizers which keeps them vertically so that any item can be seen and picked up easily. I have kept all the lip pencils tied with an elastic band. Here I have kept all the makeup palettes, and at the back I have used a normal plastic section box to keep other makeup items segregated like foundations, concealers, beauty blender and puff, powder, compacts and blushes, and here eyeliners and mascaras. In the middle shelf, I have put these baskets which generate extra and organized space. I have used them to keep pajamas, track pants and casual t-shirts neatly labeled. Again, you may change them based on your requirement and keep the cloth type you wear. In these baskets, I have kept clothes in file system, which makes it easy to pick and at the same time gives you an idea of all the options available in just one look. Please watch our small closet organization video if you haven't seen it yet to get more elaborated view on this file system. Now let's move to the bottom shelf. This shelf is used to keep all traditional wears like saris and heavy dresses and allied accessories. I have used these sari bags to keep them protected from the dust and humidity. One can keep 5 to 6 saris in each bag. This light bangle zipper bag is used to keep all the bangles and this box to keep all traditional jewelry by the side of saris. So they all stay at one place and most likely they will be used together. For more details on how to keep traditional jewelries and bangles, please watch our video on jewelry organization ideas. Find the link in the description box. I have bottom drawer in this cupboard where I have kept leggings and denim pants, again in file system. And labeling always helps in reorganizing your closet faster. On one side of the wall, I use this over-the-door multi-hook hanger to hang all leather bags. By using this hook, it is easy to grab any bag you want without removing other bags and keeps all your bags organized at one place without taking much of space. But if by any chance you cannot place this over-the-door hook here, then use command hooks to hang light purses or sling bags and utilize the door space. You can utilize this space to hang your scarves also. If you have some space left where you hang clothes, then you can hang your handbags there by using S-shaped hooks. On the other door, I use this jewelry pocket organizer to keep earrings, clutches, clips and hair ties. To organize necklaces and bracelets, I use this over-the-door multi-hook organizer. It keeps jewelry segregated. Again, if it is difficult to place over-the-door organizer here, then you can always use command hooks to hang necklaces and bracelets.
So I hope you like the ideas shown in this video. One important tip, please do not overstuff your closet with items you hardly use. Such items can be shifted to bed storage or storage boxes. Please do not overbuy, which even I do sometimes, bad habit. It helps you save money and utilize your clothes efficiently, and definitely keeps your closet easy to manage. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done yet. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.